Here's a custom build to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1958 Chevrolet Apache Fleetside. Street rotted LS1 power underneath the hood now. It's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. AC blows cold, power steering, so nicely equipped. And of course, as you can see, has that patina look to it. Great body style on the 58 to do this. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Get a good look at the wheels it's riding on. Some custom effects around that center hub, radial tires. And this is an authentic patina look. It's not where they've taken the paint and ground it down and tried to make it look rusty. No, this is the real deal. And what a look. T's custom bench seat put in it. Interior finished off nicely. We'll get around to the classic instruments, gauges, little retro sound style radio, and as you can also see, controller for air ride. So you can set this one right down in the ground, and we're going to demonstrate that towards the end of this video. We're also going to drive this truck at the very end of the video so you can see how it goes down the road. But first, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can see it kind of has that raised bed in it. What that is doing is underneath the rear of this, it has a Watts link, rear suspension, Mustang in the front, and right here I kind of pulled it up so you can see it. This little strap will stash down in the stake holder there, but what this is going to do is it will unlatch this cover right here. And you can see there's your Watts link rear end, fuel tank when you fill it up, and all hidden underneath that raised bed. Cool setup. And when you go to close it, it just pushes down. Those struts work nice. Push it down and it stays. And then you could tuck all strap back in there so you won't even see it. Pretty cool. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. If you like custom built vehicles like this, maybe you like pickups from the 50s, 60s, maybe just street rods in general, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. You never know what you'll see come through here. Videos are uploaded daily. These vehicles are available to purchase when the videos are done on them. You can either look online at them or see them on a showroom floor. If you can make it in person, love to see it. And you can see there's a little bit of corrosion, what have you, in the cab corners, but again, that's going with the look of this truck. This truck has about 12,000 miles, a little more since it was built. Let's take a little closer look at the interior. And remember that LS1 power, automatic with overdrive. So more modern drivetrain in this one. AC blows cold. Again, T's, custom bucket seat, cup holders. You can see those. Also custom made, great looking dash. The pinstriping, that carries through to the highlights underneath the hood too, that we're going to check out here in just a bit. And like I said, I'm also going to set it down on the ground for you. Technicians looking at this vehicle, again, stated AC blows cold. Brake pads, shoes, 80% in the front, 90% in the rear. Be a fun one to get in, turn the key, go to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, and here you can see that new style gauge fits right in that dash with your temp, voltmeter, oil pressure, fuel. Alright, you can see the tacks working down here. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect the temp to be up, voltmeter, oil pressure, and fuel. This has custom settings, so right now we're in drive. height. That's number 3. Number 1's going to drop her all the way to the ground. Number 2's kind of partially in between. There you can hear that compressor on there. It will adjust the air pressure in the bags depending on its ride height. People get in it, get out of it. As you can tell, it sounds good. And a side exiting exhaust. I'm going to slip up to the front. Let's pop this hood, and then I'm going to set up the camera and show you it lowering too. So let's go ahead and check out this engine bay first. Like I just said earlier, stick around to the very end of this video and take this truck for a drive. There's a look at the underside of the hood, nice and clean and tidy as with this engine bay. So again, some of the custom pinstriping. Same as the highlights on the interior, top of the dash, aluminum radiator, cold air intake. It does have headers on it, tubular control arms. There it is, LS1 power. Heater hoses, AC, everything hooked up. Electric fan. Great powertrain. All right, let me pause this one more time. I want to show you this truck lowering. Like I said, I could probably bring it up for you too so you can see it go both directions. I'm going to go from ride height all the way down to the ground, and we'll take it back up. There you go. You can hear the compressor kick back on since it used up the air to push it back up. 1958 custom Chevrolet Apache. Good looking street rod. Call us 507-386-1726. Stick around a little longer and take this for a drive. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, this vehicle may qualify for an extended service contract. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving the most amazing 1958 Chevrolet Apache pickup truck. It has the best patina I think I've ever seen, with a nice teal paint and a lot of patina. Modern power plant, modern gauges that look like antiques. And they're all working well. This is an automatic with a stick right on the floor. This is on air and you can raise and lower it as you wish. Not to mention, it sounds like an amazing street machine and has excellent acceleration. The stock, at least stock looking, full-size steering wheel goes so well with the appeal of the interior. Easy to drive, very comfortable seating, bench seat in this truck. Our temperature is around 150. Volts are at 14, oil pressure is at 50. Fuel gauge is, needle bounces a little bit, around 1/2 and 3/4 right now. I have had air blowing out of the HVAC system. Believe it or not, this even has cruise, and cruise control does function. This truck had me excited to drive it and see what it was like. It is such a beautiful truck. The custom work, and if you go for patina, this is the patina truck, in my opinion. Corners nicely, hardly leans at all. Getting lots of attention, lots of looks. The mufflers on this thing sound amazing as well. You definitely want to take a look at all the pictures, whether you're interested in this truck or not, and see how much detail there is in this truck and how much work was done. Very well done, 58 Apache. Take a look at the pictures and learn more about it at uniqueclassiccars.com.